Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. I have another Christmas tags for you today using alcohol inks. I use Tim Holtz UPO paper for my tags. I die cut my tags using one of the die from Gina Marie Designs pennant die set. I die cut 6 of the tags, but I don't know why I only have 5 in the video. I probably die cut one more later on. The name of the alcohol ink colors I use is shown on the screen if you're interested. I use 2 colors on each tag. I have just one tag with one color and blended that color with alcohol blending solution. After I am satisfied with the result of colors on my tags, I will use Crafter's Companion gold foil to add a little bit more interest on my tags. Alcohol inks are so fun to play with. I love the colors move on the paper. I will apply the gold foil after the inks dried, but the ink puddles on the tags are a little bit wet, and that is the time you need to add your gold foil so the gold film from the foil will stick on it. I hope that makes sense. And I just use my bone folder to varnish or help transfer the gold foil. I will be using Newton's Nook Reindeer roll call stamp set. I will stamp this large sentiment on top of the alcohol ink tags, and this sentiment fit perfectly on the tags. I have my Stamp Perfect here to help me with the stamping. I will use Stays on Jet Black ink because this one is permanent ink and it will dry fast. I tried other black inks and those ones didn't work for me, and the Stays on Jet Black ink is the one that works. I also tried embossing, but the paper warped, so that's a no-go for me also. I stamp a few times until I get a good impression of the sentiment on the tags. I die cut another tags with white cardstock that will go on the back of the alcohol ink tags, so my tags are sturdy. I will distress the edges with vintage photo distress ink. For the back of the tags, I will use the 2 reindeer images from the set, and the 2 one from Words is from Hero Arts Layering Christmas Tree stamp set. I will mount the stamps on a clear black, and I will ink them with Gina K amalgam ink. After the stamping is done, I will adhere them together using glossy accents. I use Nelly's multi-frames tag die set. This set has the die for tag reinforcement. I die cut 12 reinforcement using gold glitter from Concord and Ninth Summer Glitter Paper Pack. I will adhere the reinforcement on the front and back of the tags. Before I adhere them, I will punch a hole on top of the tags using my crocodile puncher. I have this big roll of twine here, and that's what I'm using for my tags. I cut 8 inches length, and that's enough length to tie it on a gift. And my tags are finished. I love playing with alcohol inks. These tags are perfect to add on a gift for your husband, older boys or teenager boys, male, family, or friends. I know they will like it. As always, thank you so much for always watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you like today's Christmas tags, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye bye.